CHIPS, Charts and Instruments in Pathology for Students. The couple of instruments or containers rather shown on the screen, I hope you are able to identify them. They are the Coplin jars. They can be kept as spotters or a few questions can be asked in the Viva. This jar is standing vertically and hence it is called a vertical Coplin jar. It is made up of glass and there is a well-fitting lid. And here I am able to see multiple lines or ridges on the inner side. There are 4 ridges and because of that there will be 5 compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It can be made up of glass or plastic. So in this case we are seeing a plastic Coplin jar and these are the ridges and side by side I am able to see the containers. And this is a well-fitting lid. 10 slides can be stained or processed simultaneously. That is the advantage of it. For example, the various uses are fixation in alcohol, fixation of the blood smears in formalin vapor. We'll be putting cotton with formalin and because of that all the smears can get fixed. Staining can be done with various stains such as Leishman stain, hematoxylin or eosin, only one at a time. This is another one. Compared to the previous one, I find that this is more horizontal and hence I call it a horizontal Coplin jar. In this, there are multiple ridges and obviously you find that the compartments are more. So more slides can be accommodated. Back-to-back arrangement means if there are 10 compartments, 20 slides can be accommodated. The other applications and disadvantages are more or less the same as the vertical Coplin jar. So this is the lid, this is the jar, these are the ridges. What is this back-to-back arrangement? Normally, when I make a smear, so the star, it is showing the side of the smear. Now when these two surfaces rub against each other, both will be damaged. In order to prevent it, I move them on the opposite side so that this faces to the north and this to the south. Therefore, the unstained portions alone will be touching. This is called a back-to-back arrangement. By that, a lot of smears can be simultaneously placed within the Coplin jar, 2 in each container, and the process can go on. This is called as back-to-back arrangement. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the Coplin jars? One advantage is it saves time because many slides can be stained or processed simultaneously. It saves reagents, tight fitting container, no evaporation. Saves man hours because many slides again can be processed simultaneously. And it prevents the smears from rubbing against each other because of the compartments. So these are the advantages of the Coplin jar. The disadvantage will be over a period of time, however careful we are, there will be evaporation of the reagents. Sometimes the staining material will get sedimented. Because of this, the reagents must be periodically replaced. So in this one, I am finding that a staining process is going on. Also, what can be a substitute? Today, there are other instruments which can be used. And in the picture is an automatic stainer where it will go on. Just program it and the staining process goes on. See you in CHIPS 8.